to do it. Come on. Open it up. That's nice. That's for...
I can't do it.
You can do it. Come on.
Pink pig. A pig duck.
A pig in the duck. Come on, open it up. Your mouth up.
Pig.
Toy.
A pig duck. Pink pig. A pig duck. Pink pig. A pig duck.
I can't open this.
This is 36 months.
You put pig in front, you put duck behind. Put them together, and what do you find? A pig duck.
Come on, break it.
Now that's a silly animal.
Can't do it.
There you go.
Can't do it.
Yes, you do. That's easy to do.
Mama, help. Get it out there. Yeah.
You almost get out. Come on.
That's good.
You gotta bring this up. Let's see. Let's see. This one. There you go.
Pink pig. Pink pig.
Come on, do it. Come on. Wow. It's a pieces. Come on, bring it up. This one. That's a bucket. This one. Bring it out.
How do you pick it up?
There you go. Here.
The bucket.
Here.
And here's this.
Put it together.
I can't.
Put it together. Put right here. All those. Put in the bucket.
Pink yellow duck. A pig duck.
Wow.
Put pig in
This
front,
is your basket.
behind.
You happy?
Oh, put it together.
Put them together, and what do you
But
find?
what can put this? And
What a silly mix-up.
Maisy?
how put it together? How?
It's connected. You have to connect each other.
Huh? Now come on.
Pig duck.
You gotta connect that one.
No, Mommy, connected. It's connected.
Put them together, and
It's
what do you
connected.
find?
So you can't find it.
So what's the packet?
Now that's a silly
See?
animal.
That's like that. This is,
What's
see?
this?
Look. That's a lion.
No, it's not. Put it together.
See, like that.
I put it
See
together.
that? See that? That's one.
I can't put it together.
You did.
I put this in the box. Let's clean this mess up. Put it in the pocket. Put it in the Where's some color?
What color is it?
Let's put this. It's messy. After we're seeing some animals and you. Turn this wheel on.
Come back here. Come back here. Macy. Say bye-bye now. Say, come here. Come here first.
Bye.
Come over here. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Bye-bye, right here. Say, you like my video, please subscribe. Come on.
If you like my baby, then please subscribe. Bye.
See you later. Have fun. See, have fun.
Have fun.
See, it's a clear.